Yo, so this might be a super short video, or it might be a 20-minute video. I gotta fix that exhaust leak because it is running. It's not running horribly, but it's running. I know it could be running way better because it has been. I found why the exhaust leak is leaking. I'm gonna show you guys why it's leaking. I'm gonna show you the crusty Classics garage way to fix an exhaust leak, and I'm gonna show you the crusty Classics garage way of how I fixed the old exhaust leak. Well, no, how I fixed my exhaust from no longer falling off when I hit a bump on the highway coming back from LS Fest, and it just plops to the ground, sends sparks everywhere. But I'm just saying, that never happened to me. I'm just saying. Let's not dig into this, but because I ain't digging into nothing. It's getting it's getting bacon, or it's getting whatchamacallit. It's getting the Earthquake 3000. But don't mind all the leak. That 50-year-old gearbox leaks like no other. Oh, I got a transmission leak. Or is that transmission fluid mixed with power steering fluid? Because I use both. No, it's a transmission leak. All right. Anyways, so it's loose here. I don't know. You probably can't see it in the video, but I shake it and it's loose here. You can already see I've double spacered it. But these clamps just aren't the greatest. Okay, viewer discretion advised. So that is how I fixed my exhaust from no longer falling off. And you can see why it falls off. And you can see exactly why I want to get rid of these torsion bars. They are nothing but in the way, which will be happening soon. But until then, I didn't get the right socket. But until then, it's just gonna be like that. I figured it would like self-clearance by now by hitting the torsion bar so much, like pressing up against it, that it would kind of dent itself. But obviously hasn't happened. But let's see. Golly. Nuts almost as big as mine. Ooh, where'd you come from? Could I use you? Maybe not. But I'm kind of hoping that with this impact I can really just tighten that bad boy down. The exhaust leak was horrible. If you want to hear what it was like before maybe this fixes it, you're going to want to go to the previous video, either the Kung Fu one or the one before that. Let's see. Oh, we got it on all the earthquakes. What do we got it on? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Actually probably about to break it. That's gonna be great. And we're just spinning. Oh, sorry. Okay. You don't want me to do it the other way. I'm telling you. You're not gonna like it. These are all Amazon clamps, so I'm not too surprised. The bolt might be a little stripped. Oh, I'm gonna do it. You're gonna make me get the Baconator out. Or is that just the wrong nut? Are you the wrong one? Oh, yeah. That nut's too big, but it threads fine. Interesting. I'm pretty sure that clamp's just all kinds of ducked up now. See, it's nice and tight there. I wonder if I have. Let's go search for another clamp. Probably gonna need 2 hands for this, so I'll be right back. So I got another one, but the nut that came on this one that threaded perfectly fine before I put it on here is now, once it just slightly got tight, it's spinning. But then I noticed that this one, the nut was almost all the way off, but you know, it's all right. But I tightened that one up, and then I tightened this one up even more, and it's solid now, not moving. So until I drive it tomorrow, this exhaust leak on this side should be good. But I need to go double check that side and hit it with the Earthquake 3000. This bad boy is no bueno. So throw this in the trash real quick. After we get to this side, I was kind of hoping I'd get the old Harbor Freight Sizzler out and get to show off my welding skills, but oh, I need to check on my Harbor Freight jacks, make sure they're all right. You good? You good? All right, we're good. Get off me. Oh, now where are you, loosey goosey? Oh, you're not loose. I had exhaust. Oh yeah, there we go. See, I did a clamp delete on this side and hit her with the Sizzler. No way there's an exhaust leak coming from over here. Where? Oh, you're good. Huh. Down here. So this exhaust. So I got 2.5 inch. So I have shorties, obviously. Torsion bar's nice and out of the way over here. 2.5 inch exhaust pipe that I had to chop. That came with a. Hey, what are you doing? Hey. Thank you. Yeah, because my snappers was working really great. But this is a 2.5 inch exhaust off of a universal kit that I had in the attic that I had to chop and use as a down pipe because I couldn't find a down pipe anywhere. Running into a 3-inch universal exhaust I had up in the attic. Also running into Amazon mufflers. But once I get the coilovers in here, I'll get rid of the torsion bars, and then I'm gonna find the cheapest set of long tubes I can find, and I'm gonna put them in here and hope that they sit a little bit higher than this, and then I'm gonna redo my whole exhaust, and I'm gonna do it all the way out the back. But I highly doubt oh, bless you, thank you. I highly doubt that I'm going to be able to find something that, or find long tubes that sit close enough to the bottom of the floor pan, because the bottom of your, basically that down tube or the down pipe where the end of your header sits, that's where the rest of your exhaust is going to sit. So if your header sits higher, the end tube, the outlet of it, then your exhaust is going to sit higher. If it sits lower, your exhaust is going to sit lower, which is the issue I'm having. And then also my mufflers are below the frame rail. So this is the quarter right here, but the frame rail is right behind it. And obviously those are way too low. And the E-bodies, they tuck up under there behind the rear passenger floorboard and the front and the axle. But when you're cobbling stuff together, and then you're gonna be like, oh, take it to an exhaust shop. Well, if y'all haven't realized, this is a piece of shit. And 2, I don't have many options in my area. Let's see how it sounds. Oh, it's still there. From where? fixing that until that torsion bar is out of the way. So this video was kind of pointless because I can't get the Sizzler 3000 out, and because I can't get to that pipe. There's absolutely nothing I can do about that now. So we're just gonna be rolling around with a horrible exhaust leak. I'm gonna be smelling exhaust for the next 2 days now. Goddamn. Horrible exhaust leak for the foreseeable future until I get the front coilovers on, and because at least when I put the coilovers on, the torsion bars will be out of the way, and then once the torsion bars are out of the way, I can sizzle on the rest of that pipe where it's blocked by the torsion bar, and that exhaust leak will go away. But it's so weird that that exhaust leak came about now, because it hasn't been that bad. So I'm not surprised. I doubt you're surprised. I doubt. Oh, let me do this. Anybody is surprised. Oh, where did it come from? Oh, a daisy. But that does it for this episode. Oh, let me get my jack stands out from under there. All right. But that was kind of blah. Really wish that would have gotten fixed real quick, because it runs horribly. Not horribly. It runs about 60% good, where it was at 95% good. But next, I'm gonna throw the engine transmission together for the Camaro, and then finally get that started. I'm waiting to get this garage door fixed. So that's actually why I haven't started it yet, but that'll be fixed Thursday. So today's Tuesday, so good chance I'll get started on some Camaro related this weekend. Appreciate you watching. Random ass video. I need subscribers, I need likes, I need comments. Even if you diddle daddy in the comment section, and then you go into your other account and diddle daddy some more, gotta bring attention. Almost at 10,000 subscribers, which is weird. I started this 2 years ago. No, it'll be 2 years. Did I start 2 years ago? It'll be 3 years, 2 years, something like that. So appreciate you watching. Once again, fluff video that I honestly kind of this video to turn into me zapping some exhaust pipe together with the Sizzler, but that's done for now until I get to the coilovers. But Camaro's got to come first. So see y'all next time. Like, subscribe, follow, check out the Instagram, check out the Facebook business page. Stop asking me to do work to your car and then flaking on me. Anyways, I'll see y'all next time.